Every acorn must be wedged into its very own storage hole. Each takes a full 20 minutes of chiseling. And that could be a real headache. Fortunately, their brains can tolerate forces thousands of times greater than ours can. He and his family work as a team. One of the only birds in the world to do so. Teamwork is also handy to keep an eye out for thieves. They might not share food, but they have shared these fertile hills with people for 10,000 years. Ranchers brought change, along with new opportunities for the birds. The side of a barn might offer a labor-saving shortcut, and another woodpecker family is taking advantage. Redwood cladding is softer than an oak tree, so they can work twice as fast. But it's not all going to plan. The cladding may be soft, but it's also thin. Not so clever now, huh? How frustrating. All those acorns piled up behind the boards. Until at least now they've got another chance to do it right. Sometimes the old ways are the best ways. For the oak tree family, their work has paid off. Time to sit back and take inventory. They've safely stored more than 4